So I happened to be in the neighborhood because I had a client who wanted to look at an apartment in the West 80s. And I figure, since I'm nearby, maybe I should take a stop at HomeGoods just to see what's there. You never know. The hunt, the thrill of the hunt. And now I'm hungry and I want something to drink, but instead I think I'm gonna go to HomeGoods instead and not eat and not go to Starbucks. Although maybe I'll go after. But I need my hands free. You know, there are times when HomeGoods can get literally full contact sport. So let's see what happens. We're here. I'm going in. Let the games begin. Fake plants, fake plants, fake plants. Fake plants, fake plants. These aren't the worst I've ever seen. I mean, I'm not getting them, but let's see. These. See, here's the problem. They're too green. Too green. Look at how cute it is. It's holding the light. And it's free. $50. Oh, it's marked down, but I don't know what the markdown is. Okay, these. I kind of like these. Oh, it's a touch lamp. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it has a USB port. That's kind of cool. The problem with these lights is they only throw light down, so you don't get any top light, which makes them like a good desk lamp or someplace it just needs a little ambiance. But practically speaking, they're not that good. They're very specific, but I like them. I found another piece of art. I like this one too. Damn. Look, it's only $59. $59, but it's like a cool oil painting. I like it. I like it. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Okay, so I didn't get that painting. I wanted it, but there was a couple, so maybe I'll come back. I just didn't want to carry it on the subway. So I got stuff I needed rather than stuff that is fun. But I do love me some HomeGoods, that is for sure. I do love me little HomeGoods. I know it's a problem.